Hi, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today's look, I'm going to start off by priming my eyes using my MAC Select Cover Up in NW25, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend that all over my lid. And then I'm going to blend it out some more with my Beauty Blender. The first shade I'm taking is Soft Brown by MAC, and I'm going to go ahead and place that into my crease with a MAC 224 brush. Next, I'm going to pick up Saddle, and with that same 224 brush, I'm going to go ahead and blend that into the crease as well. The next shade is I'm Into It by MAC, and I'm going in with a MAC 217. I'm just going to go ahead and pack that onto the outer lid. And then I'm going to go ahead and start blending it just a little bit into the crease. And then I'm going to go and further blend that in with a MAC 224. And next I'm going in with Embark and a little small brush by Morphe, and I'm just going to go ahead and place that into the crease just to deepen it up just a little more. And going back in with that 224, I'm going to go ahead and blend everything out. And then going back in with the I'm Into It, I'm going to pack some more onto the outer lid just to intensify the color a little bit. And next I'm going in with All That Glitters and a flat shader brush. For liner today, I'm using MAC's Dip Brown. And I'm just going to go ahead and smudge that onto my lash line. So I'm going ahead and pulling my eye taut just so I could be able to smudge that everywhere, and then going in to further smudge with a small pencil brush and some Embark. For some added shimmer, I'm going to take Makeup Forever Starlit Powder, and this one is in the number 13, and I'm going to go ahead and pack that onto the lid as well, using that same detailing brush or shader brush from before. For my lashes, I'm taking Benefit's Roller Lash. And then for the face, I'm using Embryolisse Moisturizer. And then to prime, I'm taking my Makeup Forever Hydrating Primer first. And then I'm going in with the Smoothing Primer just where I need it. So I'm just packing that into my skin, or patting that into my skin. For foundation today, I'm using my L'Oreal True Match, and then I'm going to use a AOA Studio brush, and these ones are only $1. So this is my first time trying this brush, and all in all, I liked it. It actually blended out my foundation very nicely. It didn't shed on me, and it wasn't hard to blend out, so I think it's worth it for $1. I did go back to the store and I bought a couple more. And then you can find these at Shop Miss AOA stores, and then you could also buy them online. For concealer, of course, I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm just going to place that underneath my eyes. And I'm going to blend that out with my beauty blender. To set the eye, I'm going to go ahead and take the banana shade from the Anastasia contour kit and then the MAC Emphasize. I think that's what it's called. I'm just going to go ahead and pat that underneath the eyes. And then to set the entire face, I'm using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. And then, of course, I'm using another brush by Miss AOA. And then look how firmly packed the bristles are. Guys, these are only $1. So I'm using that to set my face. And I did like it for that. Maybe next time I'll try to use this one for foundation and see how that works out. And then to contour my face, I'm going in with this color from the Anastasia contour kit. And a crown contour brush. For blush, I'm using Tarte's Exposed. And then I'm just going to go ahead and brush that onto the apples of my cheek. For highlight today, I'm taking my Dose of Colors, Desi and Katie collaboration, and this one is in the shade Medium. And then I'm just going to lightly dust that onto the high points of my cheek. And right now I'm using a Bdellium tool brush. For liner today, I'm using this one by MAC, and I'm just going to place that in my waterline. And then underneath the eyes, I'm just taking a soft brown. Next, I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with MAC Soar Lip Liner. And for the lipstick today, I'm taking Max Breathing Fire, which is a matte lipstick. And to finish everything off, I'm going to go ahead and set my face with my Urban Decay All Nighter. And this completes my look for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe.